How to join the SnowballCrypt project, step-by-step tutorial. SnowballCrypt is a DeFi platform that allows users to earn by joining the network as a member of the SnowballCrypt.com project. To get started with SnowballCrypt, you need to follow a few simple steps. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of joining the SnowballCrypt project, from setting up the MetaMask wallet to connecting your wallet on the website http://www.snowballcrypt.com. Step 1. Setting up the MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is a digital wallet used to store cryptocurrencies. This is a browser extension that can be downloaded for free on Google Chrome, Firefox, and Brave. Here's how to set up a MetaMask wallet. Install the MetaMask browser extension. Create a new wallet following the instructions provided by MetaMask. Write down your secret seed phrase and keep it in a safe place. This phrase will be used to recover your wallet if you lose your password. Step 2. Purchase Binance Smart Chain, BNB, BEP20 Network and Binance USD, BUSD. To participate in the SnowballCrypt project, you must have Binance Coin, BNB, 20BP Network and Binance USD, BUSD, in your MetaMask wallet. Here's how to buy it. Go to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports BNB and BUSD. In your country, buy BNB and BUSD using your preferred payment method. You can use a credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods depending on the exchange. Withdraw your BNB and BUSD from the exchange to your MetaMask wallet. You must provide your MetaMask wallet address to the exchange. Step 3. Connecting the MetaMask wallet to the website https://www.snowballcrypt.com. Once you have set up your MetaMask wallet and purchased BNB and BUSD, you can now connect your wallet to the SnowballCrypt.com website to start joining the SnowballCrypt project. Here's how to do it. Go to the SnowballCrypt website, https://www.snowballcrypt.com. Click the Connect Wallet button in the upper right corner of the website. Select MetaMask as your wallet provider and allow the website to access your wallet. Once connected, you will see your BNB and BUSD balance on the website. Step 4. Approve and join. To start earning in SnowballCrypt, you need to invite friends or relatives to join under you. Here's how to do it. Click the Join button in the menu on the website. Enter the amount of your BUSD currency, as much as 70 BUSD, as a condition for you to join and create an account. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Once it's done, you will enter your member area, and you can take your referral code there for you to share. Step 5. How to earn. You can generate 10 BUSD automatically entered in the wallet that you register as a member in the account everyone enters from your referral. You can copy your referral code in your member area dashboard. SnowballCrypt is an easy-to-use and secure DeFi platform because it sits on a blockchain network.